Krka National Park is named after the Krka River and covers an area of over 142 square kilometers, covering nearly two-thirds of the river itself. It is famous for the Skradinski Buk falls, which are one of the most famous sites in Croatia. You can spend the entire day swimming in the emerald green pools and immersing yourself in the sheer beauty nature has bestowed on this park. Krka National Park boasts of a wide variety of flora and fauna. The park is home to more than 800 species of plants, over 200 species of birds, and several amphibian and reptilian creatures. Entry ticket to this amazing national park would cost you 30 kunas to 200 kunas depending on the time of the year. Tickets can be bought on arrival or can be purchased online on the Parks of Croatia website. These tickets include a boat ride from Skradin to Skradinski Buk and Lozovac to Skradinski Buk. Krka National Park can be easily reached from Šibenik, Split and Zadar. Split Airport and Zadar Airport are nearly an hour's drive from the park. You can get to the main bus station of either of the cities and then travel to Skradin, which is where one of the park's entrances is.